everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a spider costume for your pets. My pet did not like it very much. Wait, Legs. Oh, come here. Oh, she was not too thrilled about it. But maybe your pet will like it a little bit better. It's really simple. This video is also a collaboration with my good friend Vicky. Vicky Bermuda's. I will link her channel below, of course. She is going to be making a pet costume as well for her dogs, Ozzy and Charlie. They're so cute. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love Vicky's videos and she's so awesome. So definitely go check her out and give her a subscribe and check out her video. She does DIY, she does vintage fashion, Disney videos, all kinds of stuff, and it's great. But yeah, if you want to know how to make this costume, then let's get started.
So to start off with, I'm taking my fabric, folded it in half, and on the fold I'm going to cut a curve. So we'll have a circular piece. Next, I'm just cutting two little strips, and these are going to act as the ties to attach it around your pet's waist. If you have some little pieces of Velcro or little snaps, you can attach those, and that would probably make it much easier. However, I did not have that. So I'm just going to quickly stitch these on either side of the circle. Now, taking some other fabric, also folded in half, I'm going to cut 6 sections. So they're all in folds, so it will technically be 12. Now I'm going to take and sew these right sides together on the sides and bottom, leaving the top open. Once you have each of those sewn, just cut off any excess seam allowance. And flip them right side out. Once they're all flipped, you're going to take your body piece and line up the legs how you think you want them. This is just to get an idea. Now I'm taking some pipe cleaners and cutting them to the length of the legs. Now I only use pipe cleaner, but it might be a good idea to put a little bit of stuffing in these as well, just to give them a little bit more shape and depth. Once you got the pipe cleaners in, you're going to put the legs right side to right side. So you're going to be attaching these to the body, but the wrong way, if that makes sense. You can kind of see what I'm doing. This way, when you sew them and flip them over, there won't be any raw edges showing. So just sew that across and then repeat to the other side. And after you do that, you are done with your pet's new spider costume.
I said, really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like. And subscribe if you want to see more from me. Now go check out Vicky's video so you can see how to make another pet costume that I'm sure is adorable. So go check that out and give her a subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.